YouTube, we are back and we are trying to fix the S7 again. Now it's not nothing insane. Let me walk y'all through. If y'all watched my last video, I did kind of state what was going on, but let me show you guys. So right here is my low pressure fuel pump, and this is the control module, and this is the problem right here. So this connector, when the car is running, if you move around that little connector from certain angles, the second pump will kick on and it'll run normally. If you move it ever so slightly or put the seat down back onto the little cords, it'll turn off. So I honestly think it's from when my motor got dropped. Maybe one of the mechanics just had to jam it off or jam it back on, because that connector piece is really hard to get off. And you know, it's an honest mistake, bro. Like it's just plastic, stuff breaks. Plastic and wires are very sensitive. It's not nothing crazy. Quick fix. All of these connectors are like $20 each, so it wasn't crazy. But we're here at Johnny's.
Yeah.
Their new house. They got a shop in the background and everything. So Johnny is the one that him and Vinny are the ones that put the fuel pump together. So I hit them up again and it was just like, hey, I got some new connectors. If y'all want to fix it for me, let me know. So Johnny's a busy man. He made time in the schedule for me. So you know what I'm saying? We here now. But let me show y'all his car. Comment down below if he should get this thing running.
First time rapping on that car for me.
Yeah, so he just wrapped this car, but this is not what we worried about. Alright, we worried about this. Look at this, bruh. I want him to finish this build. I want him to finish this build, gap everybody, talk crazy to people, and then sell it if you want to sell it. But he said he's selling it. He said he's selling this because nobody street races out here anymore. So he got the hood, the side exit, dump. It's crazy. Look at that. All of that stuff in there that he could have been using. But anyway, this is daily driver, man. Typical downpipe and tune B58. Nothing crazy. He said he's getting a top mount for this with a hood dump, so that's gonna be pretty cool. But look at the color. The color is pretty nice. He's almost finished wrapping it. He's doing it himself. I'm pretty sure he does everything himself. But yeah, so this is what we're doing here today, and we're gonna see if.
Don't mind the broken taillight. I dropped it.
Just go clears, bro. The clears look good.
We did a really bad job on the trunk just because I didn't really care, because I got a sick ass carbon trunk on the way.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking the clears will look cool. I'm just waiting on more wrap to finish the rear bumper and the front bumper.
Yeah. But yeah, bro, so we're gonna see if these connectors solve the issue of just like the small, even though it really should, because we literally tried to see if it was the wires or anything else, and I'm pretty sure it's just this. So here are the pieces. That's the connector. This is the connector. This one goes underneath the yellow one, and this is the pump right here. So there you go. This one looks a little bit easier to access too, because it has this little red notch on it. So that's better. But yeah, this is a few pieces that we need. I'll swap those out, and hopefully the car runs on 2 low pressure fuel pumps from now on. Then we could do pulls and actually get logs from my tuner, so the car can run the right way. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Keep you guys updated. Vinny just pulled in here like he's in a Hellcat. You looking slim, bro.
I know.
You looking slim, bro.
I'm looking good.
I'm proud of you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm bigger than you.
We probably will. But yeah, guys, Vinny's here, and we're waiting on our chrome stickers to match the chrome badges that go on the side.
I haven't been able to source it because no one sells a chrome vinyl for my machine.
I figured it was hard. I did hit this badge company up to see if they can make me one, but I feel like the badges will look too bulky on the side. Like just a sticker it'll be so.
Yeah, it would be bulky.
Yeah,
on the window.
Yeah. So a sticker would be way more calm. I don't know if the camera can see that.
It's burnt on those 2 pins.
Yeah, that's probably because one of them wasn't plugged in. It wasn't working.
It's possible. It was like arcing, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try and get in there.
Cause last time I looked at it, it didn't look that bad.
Yeah, they're a little bit burnt, but
I don't think it's not as bad as when that whole thing burnt.
Yeah, that was something. That was something.
Yeah, that was
Remember, this wouldn't come off.
Yeah, that was crazy, bro. See that? But I honestly think it's because it was like trying to make up for the other pump not working sometimes, and then it'll be kicking in sometimes not kicking in. So
that or just had a bad connection. It just kept like connecting, not connecting, and arcing off.
close and personal?
Little burnt, little crispy.
Yeah. Just a little bit. Show them that.
The two.
What's so special about this one that other ones can't do?
Well, it actually grabs right here and folds it over onto the wire like that. Holds the wire in place.
Perfect.
You gotta set the wire in like that. I gotta cut this one down a little.
We were waiting for next day shipping on that tool, and it took 3 days. It's crazy work. Good old Amazon, huh?
It said we'll be here tomorrow. It's not there tomorrow.
Yeah. Then it said it'd be here at noon. Didn't come to like 6.
I think it was like 9.
All right, YouTube. So you got the top half connector piece replaced. We didn't do the bottom because I need to get gas out the car so it doesn't come spilling out the top of the fuel hat. So what I'm gonna do now is go burn some gas and then hit him up later today and see if he want to do it today or if he wants to do it tomorrow. So that's what we gotta go do. But the why am I getting laser? But for now, checking on DS1, that second pump is kicked on right now, so it should be okay. And then that second connector is going to get replaced. So regardless, it's going to be good and fixed. All right, it's not a crazy bad fix, but just something that had to be replaced. So this is what it's like owning a fast car. It's a bunch of small stuff. When you have if you have a reliable fast car, it's just gonna be a bunch of small stuff. Everything that was wrong with my car is a bunch of small stuff. But yeah, let's go drive around. I gotta go get something to drink and go eat my food. And yeah, and then we'll come back and get that other connector replaced. But as of right now, it's saying it's reading fine. So let's just hope it stays that way and don't leave us stranded anywhere. All right? If you are new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what you think about the content I've been putting out. I've been trying to put some quality stuff out for you guys, and I've been trying to focus more on YouTube. So let me know how I've been doing, and I appreciate y'all support. Love y'all, and let's see what happens. All right, guys, it's the next day. We are back, and Johnny has finished the connectors. So there you go. We replaced this connector right here, and then one underneath as well. So we turned the car on, we ran it, we revved it a little bit to see if we could build some pressure and see if we can get it to leak. It didn't leak, so we're good. If you have any other issues, we're gonna bring it back. Hopefully it won't be another 2 weeks, because Johnny's a busy guy, bro.
Bro, I said my bad.
He be saying my bad and then fall asleep so he don't answer the phone.
I did indeed fall asleep today and had Kev wake me up by calling me.
Yeah.
But like
I called him like 3 times. I thought he wasn't gonna be able to fix it today. I would have went another day without a fast car, but it should be running smooth now.
I mean, you went what, 22 years with a slow car? What's another day?
Wow. Where's your fast car?
In the garage.
Is it running?
Don't worry about that.
Exactly, pal. At least mine is running now.
Wait till the 340 making like.
Yo, Just Mari, every platform, even on Snapchat, anyways.
Yo, hit up the Just Mari,
Sure, bro.
ChatGPT, fake ass, meat, liar.
We said meat?
He not
there.
gonna like that.
Hey!
Yo!
Hey, yo.
This channel is PG, bro.
PG.
Dude, I'm gonna do my rap review at the car meet.
PGR. What? Hey, mom. Yeah.
Yeah. You go. Yeah, she gonna give you a whooping.
So what the fuck was that tongue out for?
Oh, language.
you bring it. Oh.
Am I not allowed to say the F word?
Yeah. You're gonna get in trouble.
Oh.
You bringing the? You said it again. Are you bringing the 340?
Yeah, it's in there. I'm gonna bring it.
All you gotta
No
do-
bumper and
all we
everything.
gotta do is go straight down Transit.
That's fine. I'm done.
I gotta stop at Sunoco though. But
I know you got like no gas.
yeah, I know. That's how you know it's no gas. If he can open my fuel pump hat and no fuel come out, I'm low on gas.
Yeah.
My car drives like crap when it's
By the
low.
way, just don't look too close in my wrap. It was my first time wrapping my car.
Nobody cares that much.
Do it again.
Why do?
Do it again.
I know you're not
What
posting the meat on your story today.
Why not?
Motherfucker.
That song is garbage.
Where's this in the trunk?
Post a funk. That's cool.
I'm not gonna lie, if I heard that shit, I wouldn't go.
I know, right? I mean, either.
For the Fast and Furious shirt?
Yes.
Why not?
That's so corny. People that's not.
Do you like the SpongeBob like intro? That shit's tough.
Are you
Did
ready
you see my
yet?
story the other day with the SpongeBob song?
Yeah.
So do that
Oil farmer, Ari the oil farmer. Hey, oh, what you doing here, buddy?
Sorry.
It's just men here.
Hey!
It's never too damn big.
We're here with Wavy Kid Kev, Just Mari.
Yo, just marry everything, bro.
Yep. Make sure to follow him. Unfollow
everything.
Kev.
Subscribe to me.
Follow Kevin.
We got the whip.
Friend, and all I will do is me and you. Oh, that does a banger.
Just pull up to the end of the driveway and then I'll come out the garage.
I'm gonna turn it on, give it a few revs, and then once my car is like out, give it a rest.
Alright. I'll just walk the camera up front.
TMI, TMI, TMI.
He says Christian, guys.
What's up?
This guy's pretty famous for being the first person in everybody's comment section.
Actually, I slowed down on that.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on now.
I was like, you know what? After that Nick post calling me a fan, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna slow down on that shit.
Nick who?
It's 500.
Oh.
Mr. Doughboy? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nah, he's a boy though.
It's fire. We're done to this.
Gen 5?
I said this drink is fire. We're done to it.
Bro, I thought you said Gen 5. I was like, you got nah. So I ain't gonna lie, it's stock as fuck right now. I've only had it like 2.5 months.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's what's
So
up.
I'm out of balancer's going, so I got a new one coming in a few days. Then I'm gonna rip it. But just got tints done by Tin Shop Rochester. I got the back of it satin black. Did that with buffalo skins. Obviously just arrow, side markers, and then cut that muffler off.
What LS is in this one?
2.
Yeah.
I prefer it a little more aggressive than the LS3. I know a lot of people go LS3, but
Yeah.
you know. And I got long tooth headers on the way, so.
Bet.
Then we go, you know, get a couple little flames. You know?
Nice to
That's
see.
gonna be hard.
Shit.
Catless, right?
Yeah, you know it. Full straight plane.
I find
Nice aggressive too. Flames,
he just fixed
yeah.
my fuel pump, so my thing is running again normally.
Again?
No, I mean like it was running, it just wasn't driving normally. Like it wasn't as fast. How much power that thing pushing, man?
About 1050.
For real? Woo, that thing fast, bro. Nice car, brother. I've seen that car at a couple shows before.
Me too. It was got the flag on there.
Yeah. It sounds just like Ricky car, bro. His junk was on E85. That's exactly how Chips cars used to sound. Red Eye Chips. Y'all know who Red Eye Chips is, man. Y'all know. But we're about to fill up gas, and hopefully it doesn't overfill into my into under my seat. Let's see let's see just how much it's gonna cost this time.
I'm a fan.
Appreciate it, bro.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Can you put us in?
Yeah, so you on right now? Do a pull. Just Mari vlog?
Come on, man.
I ain't seen one in I don't know how long, bruh.
You gotta pop up me, so I feel like I should vlog that.
Mari be slacking, bro.
Nah, I've been doing good, but I haven't did no daily vlogs yet because I've been working.
Cause he been slacking, not working. Anyways, we're gonna see how much this gas costs. $60 from a quarter tank. Not that bad. If you guys haven't seen my last video with the Lamborghini Huracan, go check that out. I was driving the car, bruh, and I got done. No, I was driving the car, and while I'm driving it, a whole bunch of pollen and stuff started coming. So my eyes started getting crusty and started getting like this white stuff. It's my allergies, bro. My allergies get so bad when the pollen come out. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything yet. I think it's fine though. How's it sound though? pretty good. She's out. What just happened?
He just yeeted his ball like, whoa.
And it's still fun.
Damn.
I'm making euros now. That shit broke.
We told him just to tear it off and then just
Run the rock the clears, right? Rock the clear
It's
tail.
gonna look so good with the carbon trunk, I think. It looks like a Striker 330 right now.
Thanks.
My plate's not even like connected. It's in that Boosie mount.
Mine is too. Mine is too. Ooh, we got money. Porsche Turbo GT.
those ones are fun.
That thing like almost 800 horsepower. You know that?
Nah.
Them things move.
I'm not mistaken. No. Maybe those like the bottom spoilers that come up.
Mhm.
That's alright.
Yep. You know Porsche.
Yours.
You know Porsche is just Audi.
Yeah, but
Yours is too.
it's Porsche.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
Every Porsche I get in, I say that. I'm like, bro, it's Porsche, bro.
Yeah, the baseline for a Porsche, crazy.
But the base level Porsche is like, I would buy a base level Porsche. That's how good they drive.
Yeah.
Flexing on us. He flexing on us. Well, guys, I don't know if you can see me, but the car has been running good. Safe to say, I think the fuel pump is done and working. So, yeah, all we gotta do is dial in the tune. Here's a pull for you guys before I end the video. You gotta go, man. She's running. She is moving again. She is moving again. Feels real good. Pulls real strong again. And I'm finally not losing power at the top end, because that was the main problem with the fuel pump. I was losing power at the top end, or it just wouldn't rev like to redline, and now I was doing it. So we're good. Anyways, if you like this video, please hit a like, hit the like button, comment down below what y'all think about this video. And yeah, no check engine light either anymore, just the airbag light, because I got this aftermarket steering wheel. But yeah, so we're chilling. So a lot more vlogs to come. Gonna continue the supercar driving series, and I might start comparing it to this. I might start doing like comparison videos depending on what car it is. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Other than that, appreciate y'all's support. Follow for more content and hit that subscribe button. Yo.